Understanding Draw of Lots. A simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, draw of lots. This might sound a bit mysterious, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, draw of lots, refers to a method of making a decision randomly. It involves each participant taking a piece of paper, or lot, from a container. These lots are usually identical in appearance, but one or more of them are marked. The person who draws the marked lot is chosen for a specific purpose, such as winning a prize or being assigned a task. This method ensures fairness and is often used when making an unbiased choice is crucial. The practice of drawing lots has been around for centuries and is mentioned in various historical and religious texts. It was often seen as a way to let fate or divine will decide an outcome. This tradition has evolved over time and is now a common practice in many areas, including games, raffles, and even legal decisions. In modern times, draw of lots is frequently used in various scenarios. For example, in sports, it can decide which team plays against which in a tournament. In lotteries, it determines the winner among ticket holders. It's also used in legal situations, like jury selection, to ensure a random and unbiased process. You can use this phrase in different contexts. If you're explaining a random selection process, you can say, "We will decide by the draw of lots." Or, in a more informal setting, "Let's draw lots to see who goes first." That's all about draw of lots. I hope this video has been enlightening and you now feel comfortable using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep exploring and practicing. See you in the next video.